In this video, I will tell you about the Kurzarbeit or less working hours. As all of us know that coronavirus has affected world economy. Hello everyone, in this video, I will tell you about the Kurzarbeit or less working hours. As all of us know that coronavirus has affected world economy. Production lines are stopped and many projects have been cancelled or postponed. In this scenario, Kurzarbeit plays major role to secure job of an employee and ease the burden of employer to pay salaries of their workers. And it's a kind of win-win situation for both.